Yes sir, this is 01 layout. This is the guest toilet. This is the corridor. This is the living room. There is a big balcony in the living room. This is the view. We have this pool view, park view. This is the entire sea view from here. And then this is the living room. We are going to the kitchen and the bedroom area. First you get your kitchen. This is a spacious kitchen. As per washing machine, dishwasher, cooking range, fridge, all can fit in this kitchen. And then this is the first bedroom. This is the first bedroom. Here you have the cabinets, wooden cabinets. This is the full bathroom, shower, and from here also you have the same view. As you can see, entire sea is there with the facility view. We are going to the second bedroom, the master. The lights are not working now. This is the cabinets. This is the full bathrooms. Atif, this is the bedroom. Light is not working. This is the bedroom. This is the view from the master bedroom. This is the entire sea, you can see. This Saadiyat Island, and then this all the sea you can see from here. This side as well. It's a big balcony also. There's two balcony.